I don't usually make videos for Amazon, but this was kind of serious. So I stopped recommending LOQ 2024's entire lineup. So that includes 12th gen Intel, 13th gen Intel, and 14th gen Intel and AMD LOQ. So if it's LOQ 2024, I am not recommending it at all. Other last year's LOQ are fine. The people who talked to me and got laptops from me, three of those people laptops have died. Two were 13th gen, one was 14th gen. Okay. A few people who contacted me after their laptop had died, if you include them, four people's 14th gen LOQ has died in total. Two people 13th gen LOQ has died. One person's 12th gen LOQ has died. Two persons AMD LOQ 2024 has died. Two of these people, it was I think earlier case, it happened in March or April. They got their refund after much issues. The main issue is that they keep changing your motherboard for the refurbished motherboard, and instead of giving you a refund, and they do it quite some time, 3 or 4 times before they even start talking about the refund. Okay. uh, the reason I stopped recommending the LOQ 2024 is not because of the dying laptops. That is quite common. That's why I tell people to get ADP when they are in India. That was my earlier video. Okay, that is what I used to do. However, uh, this year, this has started happening this year with Lenovo. That if there is some kind of issue with laptops, no matter where you purchase it from, they are not giving refunds easily. Okay, and these people are still in the process of getting refund. I think three. Uh, this person has replaced one of this person has replaced his motherboard almost 3 or 4 times, almost 4 times now, and the second person it's like two or third time. The thing is, they are not giving refunds as easily as they used to do in the last year. And that's why I made a video that LOQ 2024 is not recommended anymore until Lenovo gives a public statement on it. And instead of doing that, Lenovo went ahead and started giving out sponsorship to other YouTube channels. Okay. And instead of addressing these issues, they thought it's best to curb the issue and give sponsorship to people and increase the laptop prices. I thought that you should know.